What's up everybody, it's Ashishohan here. Welcome back to yet another tutorial. Happy to see again all of your smiling faces. Well, today I'm gonna give you Dirtyboots inspired preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom and camera raw. So if you don't know that profile, then just search on Instagram. They are the very creative and the photographer, and the color effect which are they using in their photos are very much amazing. So from the inspiration we got from him, we have personally decided to create such color effect in the form of preset for you guys just for free, and we do respect his creativity. So guys, don't forget to follow that profile on Instagram. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. Your mobile phone, which you can download it from the links down given in the description. So just click on the plus icon and just click on the three dots and only select the row that is a preset file which are present in your computer or the mobile gallery. So here is the preset file that is Dirtyboots inspired. Now just click on this and click on the add button. It would be added to our Lightroom gallery. Select the old photos and just wait for the moment to be uploaded the preset. Here is the preset file. So open that preset file, click on the three dots and select the copy settings and hit OK. Now let's apply this preset to other photos. Let's apply to this. Here is the preset file. Let's apply to this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. Your photo is looking very similar to that of Dirtyboots inspired presets or the color effects. Let's apply to this other photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is an amazing preset guys. Let's apply to this photo and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is looking very closer and amazing guys. You should check out this preset and you can use this preset to color grade your photos as well as Instagram profile to a new look. Let's apply to this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So just give me a big thumbs up on this video if you really like this video. Now let's jump to the computer screen and let's apply the Lightroom preset in your PC Lightroom as well as in your Photoshop by using the camera preset. So let's jump to the computer screen. So guys, you can just download this Dirtyboots inspired Lightroom preset and camera preset and also the mobile Lightroom preset. So all you have to do, first of all, here is the RAR file you can download from the links down given in the description. So we're gonna extract this file by using right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract the folder and also extract the camera preset file. Now you will see the both folder is here. Now open the both folder and just open the Lightroom preset, and now just we're gonna install this to our Lightroom. So just copy this and go to CD, select the user, select the ashvircreations, go to the app data folder roaming, then select Adobe and select the camera. Let's go to the Lightroom, go to the develop preset, and we're gonna paste that in filter preset folder. Now I have already pasted, so you can just replace it. FP Dirtyboots inspired, that is the name of the preset. Now we're gonna install also the camera preset to the our Photoshop. So the FP Dirtyboots inspired.xmp file. Now just right click on it and select the copy, and just instead of Lightroom just go to the camera, go to the settings and just paste it over here. Now we're gonna restart your Photoshop and Lightroom and let's apply the effect to your photos and see how it actually looks if you apply this preset. So let's take this as an example image. Now all you're gonna do is just to select the FP and let's select the FP, what was that? Dirty B inspired. So select the Dirty B. Here it is the preset, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is looking very amazing, guys. So you can just check out. All the tones are very desaturated and kind of, it is giving your highlights a very much kind of, yellowish look, and very much similar to that of, Dirtyboots profile. And we really do respect his creativity and the color effect. Let's apply it to some other photo. Let's apply it to this photo. You can see the difference. Let's take some more example images. Let's apply to this photo. Go to the develop preset. I think this photo is not available. Let's apply to this photo. Go to develop preset. This also is not available. Let's try it on this. So just go to the Dirtyboots preset and you can see the difference. It is really giving you a perfect look, just like very similar to that of, Dirtyboots profile. Let's again apply some of the photo to other photo profile. Let's apply to this couple photo, and you can see the difference. You can always increase or decrease the highlights from here to increase the whiteness. You can always do the adjustment from here. So this is how you can edit your photos like Dirtyboots. And now we're gonna install the we're gonna apply the same preset to the Photoshop by using the camera preset. So all you're gonna do is let's open some of the example images. So let's take some of the example image. Let's take this photo and this, also this, and one this. Just drag it and drop to your Photoshop. Now go to the filter, select the camera filter and go to the settings and preset tab. From here you can select the FP Dirty B. Here is the FP Dirty B preset, so you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Your photo is looking very similar to that of Dirtyboots. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Now just press OK and let's apply to this photo. Select directly filter and select the camera filter, and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not yet subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom Presets, LUTs to color grade your photos as well as videos, and the cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, we're gonna launch soon the second website, that is www.filterpreset.com. On that website also we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset of all the internet just for free in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, camera and many more LUTs. So guys, stay tuned on that website. Also it will take some time to upload content over there. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.